Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the right and we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by y and cosine x to the power of 6. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x, and later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have the negative side, so I will put this one go to the left. This one we put about u to the power of 6 sine x dx, we change by negative du. So this one I will put like this. The integration of this one we have like this. So this one we have negative number 5. This one we have negative number 5. So negative we simplify. And now we have like this. About u, that is about cosine x. Now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This one we have Ln of the absolute value of y, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.